What is up, guys? None of the sites in this video. I'm going to show you how you can migrate your Zoho Mail to emails. So first, you need to head over to your Zoho Mail website, and then on the right side, you need to click on Settings. After clicking on Settings on the left side, you need to scroll down a bit until you see the Mail Account section. Click on this Mail Accounts. Scroll down till the end until you see the Add New Email Forwarding section. Just click on this and then enter your Gmail address. And after entering here in the New tab or at the bottom, you will see the Verification button. Click on this Verify button and I you won't see here because I have already verified my Gmail account. So here you need to click on the verify button and then in the new tab you need to open your Gmail and then open your inbox. After opening the inbox, here you will see that you have received your Zoho Mail's verification. So just confirm that verification, and then when the verification has been confirmed, the toggle will be turned on like this and it will show it to you like this. This means that your Gmail has been connected to your Zoho Mail, and this is how you can do it. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.